Hey guys, welcome back to UModeler. In this video, we want to talk about an important change to how UModeler X Pro subscriptions work, one that makes long-term commitment way more rewarding. Instead of losing access when your subscription's end, you can now keep the version you had at that time permanently. It's called the Perpetual Fallback License, and it's designed to give you flexibility. The Perpetual Fallback License ensures that if you've had an active subscription for a full year, either with an annual plan or 12 consecutive months of a monthly plan, you get permanent access to the latest version available when your subscription ends. That means no forced renewals, no worrying about losing your tools. You just keep using the version you had forever. So let's go over the eligibility requirements so that you know exactly how this applies to you. So, for example, if you come in with UModeler and you purchase an annual subscription, guess what? You've ultimately just purchased UModeler X Pro and you do not need to pay monthly at this point. You've basically purchased an annual subscription. That version of UModeler X Pro is yours to keep forever. Now, if you decide not to purchase an annual subscription, but instead you opt to do the month-to-month, and as long as you do 12 straight months of monthly payments, you're right. You qualify as well to keep your UModeler X Pro forever. And if you want to stop after 12 months of paying, you're absolutely able to do that, and you keep your version of the software forever. Now, here are some things that will make you ineligible. Say, for instance, you sign up for 6 months and then you take a break for a few months and then you come back for another 6 months. That would not make you eligible. Now, if you cancel, refund, or downgrade before completing a full year, that also will not make you eligible. So as long as you pay an annual subscription or have 12 consecutive months of monthly payments, you are good to go. So why is this a big deal? This is a very pro-consumer move because it lets you invest in UModeler X Pro without feeling locked into a subscription. If you stay subscribed for a year, you actually own the version you last used. If you ever decide to come back, you can just resubscribe and start the eligibility process again. You have the choice. It's at your fingertips. This is a great way to reward long-term users while keeping things flexible. So what do you guys think? Does this new policy with the subscription make it better for the developers? Drop your thoughts in comments. And if this breakdown has helped, hit the like and subscribe for more insights on UModeler X Pro. I'll see you guys in the next